what does a coastal marsh actually look like when you step back and see the full system, not just from the ground, but from above? This is Castaway Island Preserve in Jacksonville, Florida. It is part of the broader Jacksonville coastal marsh system, shaped by the Atlantic Ocean. Tidal flow and surrounding waterways dot from the ground. This landscape feels fragmented, but from the air, it becomes connected. In addition to natural forces, these environments are actively monitored and managed. Mosquito control systems are deployed throughout the marsh to track population levels and reduce public health risks, highlighting how even remote environments like this require ongoing oversight and data-driven decision-making. Salt marsh systems like this span tens of thousands of acres across Northeast Florida and are among the most biologically productive environments on Earth. Water levels can shift several feet with each tidal cycle, continuously reshaping the terrain and influencing how these systems evolve over time. These marsh systems also support a wide range of birds and reptiles. Wading birds like egrets and herons move through the shallow water, while fish and smaller organisms use these channels as nursery habitats. Even when not immediately visible, this ecosystem is constantly active, supporting life at multiple levels. Just beyond this preserve, the Jacksonville Beach Atlantic coastline plays a critical role in shaping what you're seeing here. The shoreline absorbs wave energy, acting as a natural barrier that protects inland marsh systems from direct ocean forces. At the same time, tidal exchange moves water between the ocean and the marsh through channels and inlets, regulating salinity, sediment movement, and overall system behavior. Understanding that system matters for more than just observation. It impacts how projects are planned, how access is designed, and how environmental conditions are monitored, especially in areas where change can happen gradually or all at once.